We were told we have a clip now, and whatever it is.
It's a ransom video, huh? Oh my God, I'm so gonna hurt.
Hi, Mike. You say we got a ransom here, don't we? See, this female of ours was our accomplice. See, he's so attracted to women like you that we stole him. But if you want to know our real faces, just because we have Backstreet Boys and Jonathan here, well, should we show him? Whatever. No, whatever. Well, let's see. You got about like what 10 minutes before we go to the toilets and start to flush him down. See? And he's like, oh, help me! Look, we're gonna go down.
He's got no chance.
He's got no chance, you know. Be 15 minutes in the bathroom, or else Nani go bye-bye.
Well, we just killed him, so now we really have to
die. Okay? $15. 15 minutes. Bye.
But Michael gets deceived again.
We just found Diablo Man. You okay, dude? Did you find it? Is it in the toilet? He just went over there during that. He just heard it and ran.
Another part?
Anyways, you okay, dude? I forgot this guy's going through.
But then Mike got hit with a shocker from his co-host.
Before we even did the show, El Diablo Man was taken away from him. A lot of us knew where it was, right on top of the counter there.
Wait, you guys knew?
Huh?
You knew?
Yeah.
You stupid!
You're
gonna die!
How could you know and not tell him? This poor guy was in bed.
Okay, when we started the show, I was going
Don't even talk about it!
Okay, when we started the show...
You guys lied to this poor fragile guy right here. That's wrong.
Okay, when we started the show, I was like, okay, I'm going to tell you right when we start. I thought it in my mind, and then I was like, okay, look, and then I looked and it wasn't there. So this is all real, just so you know. It was gone, and it was gone. Larry and Jesse,
and Jesse the Mr. Man.
Larry and Jesse left, and then I kind of thought, well, maybe they took it. They just came back. They've been gone for half an hour, and now we kind of know what's going on. We've just seen part 1 of this thing, and I think we have some more for you here. So if we have anything.
So Ron, you two have been friends for how many years, and you're able to do that to him?
How many years? What do you mean how many
I told you about my past, man. I told you about my grandpa.
You guys were pals. I mean, you guys were kindred spirits, and you sat there and lied to him. You evil hate
I didn't do anything. I was going to tell him to begin the show, so he'd be all happy for the show.
If you wanted to tell him, you should have just told him. That's all.
Okay, do we have something?
We'll make it shut.
Oh, well, Mike, you know, that looks pretty good in there. So, why don't we just dunk them in? Go.
No!
Ooh, flush it.
You did not put him in the toilet.
Oh, God. See. Oh, God.
Too bad.
Oh.
No!
It's all right. Rob,
Sorry,
you were all wrong. He knew it.
No!
Back now. All right, what you're about to see next is that last part you saw of them walking out. That was on live television, and no one knows what happened after that until we actually had a camera and put together the results of that. As you can see, he's here with us now, happy. So how did this happen? Well, check it out.
No!
Thank you for watching Mind Chaos.
And now, the conclusion of the chasing at Mind Chaos.
Dun, dun, dun.
Shut up, you guys.
Trouble all time. I keep it
Right. If I die, give all my stuff to Travis. I love this cargo. Got him back. Come on, little buddies. Speak. I love everybody. I love you too.